Informal English verbs and phrases for daily use. Hang loose. Meaning to stay calm, relaxed, and carefree. Don't stress about the test, just hang loose. We're on vacation now, so hang loose and enjoy. Chill. Meaning to relax or take it easy. I'm just chilling at home today. After the exam, I'm going to chill all weekend. Just chill, everything's going to be fine. Kick back. Meaning to relax and take it easy, especially after working or being busy. Time to kick back and watch some TV. They kicked back after a long day. Crash. Meaning to sleep or rest, often suddenly or in an unexpected place. Can I crash at your place tonight? He crashed on the couch after the party. Hit somewhere. Meaning to go to a place, usually for fun, an activity, or a specific purpose. Let's hit the beach this weekend. We hit the gym every morning. Zip somewhere. Meaning to go somewhere quickly. I'll zip over to your place after work. She zipped into the kitchen to grab a snack. Goof off. Meaning to waste time or avoid doing work. Stop goofing off and do your homework. They spent the afternoon goofing off at the park. Zone out. Meaning to lose focus or stop paying attention. I totally zoned out during class. Sorry, I zoned out. What did you say? Head out. Meaning to leave or go somewhere. I'm heading out now. See you later. We headed out early to avoid traffic. Stay in. Meaning to remain at home instead of going out. Let's stay in and watch a movie. We decided to stay in because of the rain. Chow down. Meaning to eat eagerly and quickly, often in large amounts. Dinner's ready, let's chow down. He was chowing down on a huge burger. pig out, meaning to eat a lot of food, especially in a greedy or excessive way. We pigged out on pizza last night. I always pig out at buffets. Veg out, meaning to relax completely and do nothing, especially by watching TV. I'm going to veg out in front of the TV. Sunday is my day to veg out. Flake out, meaning to cancel plans or not show up, often last minute. He flaked out on dinner again. Don't flake, we've been planning this for weeks. Hang out, meaning to spend time relaxing or socializing. Are you free tonight? We could hang out and watch a movie. We don't do much, just hang out and talk. Hang on, meaning to wait for a short time. Hang on a sec. Can you hang on while I grab my keys? Just hang on, she'll be here soon. Hold on, meaning to wait for a short time, similar to hang on. Hold on, I'm almost ready. Hold on a minute, I need to check something. Pop in, meaning to visit briefly or for a short time. She popped in to say hello. I'll just pop in the store for a minute. Drop by, meaning to visit casually or unexpectedly. My cousin dropped by last night. Feel free to drop by anytime. Come over, meaning to visit someone at their home. You should come over sometime. Can I come over this evening? Blow it, meaning to do something badly or miss a big opportunity. I really blew it during the job interview. You had your chance and you blew it. Drop the ball, meaning to make a mistake by forgetting or failing to do something important. I dropped the ball, forgot the meeting. Don't drop the ball this time. Mess up, meaning to make a mistake or do something incorrectly, to spoil something. I messed up my lines during the school play. Don't worry, you didn't mess up as badly as you think. Screw up. Meaning, to make a big mistake or mess something up, often carelessly. I really screwed up the report. He screwed up his chances by arriving late. Catch up. Meaning, to talk with someone you haven't seen in a while and share what's new in your lives. Let's catch up soon. We caught up over coffee and talked for hours. Wrap up. Meaning, to finish or complete something. We wrapped up the meeting around 6 p.m. Thanks for watching. Let's wrap up the video.